No, wait. Don't just. Wait till I say go.
Okay.
You promise?
Yeah.
Okay.
I stopped.
You know what I
Oh, they left.
Wait, let me read it first. And see if it's appropriate for your age. And then we'll see about it. No, it's not. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Sonia, stop! Stop!
How, can you zoom in? Damn.
Look, you're not gonna be able to see me. So,
You could.
okay. Sonia, stop! You promise?
You recorded me the whole time.
You.
Okay.
You're lying to me?
What?
Are you lying to me? You lied to me.
No, I didn't. I started it just now.
No, you didn't.
Yes,
You said you were recording the whole time. You're gonna have to squeeze sometimes. I don't want to do this.
Make it
Don't show
interesting.
this to anybody, okay?
Okay. I put it on Facebook.
No. Okay. Panda bears.
Oh, I gotta pee.
There's no panda bear. Anyway.
Who's that? Anyways.
When you see the words panda bears, give the panda a squeeze. Give it a squeeze, Tanya.
This fun is fun.
Panda bears come from China and Tibet. Tibet? Okay,
Tibet.
squeeze. When you see panda bears, you have to squeeze.
I think it's the whole book.
In zoos,
In zoos, panda bears.
eat carrots, apples, and sweet potatoes, in addition to bamboo. The panda bears' thick coat keeps them warm in the cool forest.
That's cool.
They have a coat.
What?
Panda bears get water from eating bamboo, but they also like to drink from waterfalls and streams. They like to lick.
What?
Oh, whoa. Baby panda bears stay with their mothers until they are 3 years old.
I think when I'm 20.
Wait.
Did it
I think
finish?
that's the end of the story.
What the?
Look.
What a great end.
The end.
Yay.
No, you're supposed to clap for me.
I'll stop it.